And we're looking at GLD, and we did see a nice little bounce here going into the 105 level. It really had a good little move there, but we see it taking back some of that toward the close. It's important for people to realize, as I've been trying to state, that this could be just a sideways action in a wave four, and that we could still see this low come in, and it still could be very ready to be bullish here because I do think that we're getting closer to the lows there. For a minute, it almost looked like we're going to break up and over this range of the 106. That's going to be really crucial, but was not able to really. That never really took place or transpired. So traders need to watch for that because we're seeing a little backfilling in here, and that could last for a little while. But watch for any break of that low at the 103.80 range. That could signal a move to the 102.80 range too. Now keep in mind this has been a pretty long decline here, and I think, as I said, I think we're getting close to where this is going to start to exhaust. You could see this gap down, could be exhaustion gap. You see this sideways action is trying to rally and turn the corner here. We're seeing some improvement in the oscillator, but we just need to give this a little bit of time because it can really, it could do either or. It would make perfect sense, as it runs sideways, just can't develop the rally just yet, making its one last gasp to here, and then it starts to turn the corner, or it's starting to really get that strength, and that turns that move turns. But you have to wait for the confirmation for that, because otherwise, it is you're just approximating what could happen, and that's still based upon what the formation looks like. It could either or could happen. It would make perfect sense. Here, we're still not breaking over this midpoint, so I would really wait for any kind of legitimate break through the midpoint before I got excited thinking that we're having any major change just yet, because we're not even breaking over that gap. You can see where you have your gap, you're not filling that gap. So until you can fill that gap, you would be thinking more lines that you could still run downward, sideways to a potential new low, and maybe just a short-term one, but still to a new low.